Rugby news for the week. Every URC team won last week. Sucks with the most competitive game that they had all season. It was try after try after try. My Pimpy having the man the match scoring a hat-trick. I think this is Munster's worst defeat ever. Left Munster with a 0. Sucks, keep out the good work. Blue Bulls win against Cardiff at Loftus Versfeld. Visa. Yeah, just like his brother, he's gonna bring same type of impact to the Springboks. Loftus was blue, Joburg was red. Go on with the open space. 5-0 at halftime. That just shows this dominance of this new Lions team. Versus Dragons, Stormers scored first. Sasa Feinberg Gomozulu with the first try of the match. Sasa with the second. First try of the Dragons, that was definitely obstruction because there was a guy that was standing in front of one of our guys, which means know that Trev was blind or something, but there was definitely obstruction. Our people, Loftus was blue and Joburg was red.